Sigma males represent a truly rare and fascinating category of men. They don't neatly fit into society's common definitions of alpha or beta males. Instead, they stand apart, fiercely independent, highly analytical, and uniquely driven by an internal compass that doesn't waver. However, there's one strange yet consistent pattern often seen among Sigma males, a noticeable and sometimes misunderstood absence of close friendships. While the average person maintains a circle of social connections, Sigma males tend to walk a far more solitary path, often having few, if any, genuine bonds. But what's really behind this social distance? Are Sigma males just antisocial outsiders? Or is there something much deeper, more deliberate, and even powerful going on beneath the surface? In today's video, we're exploring 8 brutally honest and deeply revealing reasons why Sigma males often have zero friends. Focus on number 7 because that will shock you. These reasons might challenge your assumptions, but in the end they'll make more sense than you ever expected. Stay with us, because one of these reasons might just explain your own experience. Let's get into it. Number 1. They despise the competitiveness of friendships. A hidden truth of many friendships, particularly among men, is an underlying unspoken competition. Most friendships subtly revolve around who has the better job, higher status, nicer house, or more impressive lifestyle. Sigma males are acutely aware of this and find it profoundly draining. When a Sigma male achieves significant success, he notices that supposed friends often withhold genuine congratulations, instead responding with subtle bitterness or passive aggression. A Sigma male sees through this false camaraderie immediately and distances himself from these superficial bonds. To him, authentic friendship should be supportive and sincere, not a competition masked as a connection. Number 2. They naturally challenge group mentality. Sigma males don't blindly follow traditions or societal norms without thorough understanding. From an early age, they've learned to question everything around them. While most people accept group beliefs to fit in, Sigma males find themselves compelled to seek truth through rigorous inquiry. For instance, when co-workers enthusiastically embrace a new company policy, the Sigma male doesn't just nod along. He openly questions the logic behind the decision. This critical thinking often makes group members uncomfortable, sparking tension and even hostility. Over time, this habit alienates Sigma males from potential friendships, since people naturally gravitate toward comfort, not the discomfort of being challenged or questioned regularly. Number 3. They often outgrow their friendships rapidly. Sigma males are obsessed with personal growth and continuous self-improvement. This relentless pursuit means they frequently leave old friendships behind. For example, imagine a Sigma male who spent his teenage years among friends obsessed with partying and social drama. As he matures, these shallow interactions lose appeal. He grows beyond these relationships intellectually, emotionally, and spiritually. Friends who remain stagnant or stuck in their old ways find themselves left behind as the Sigma male moves forward, ultimately causing friendships to fade or vanish entirely. Number 4. They have little patience for flakiness. Sigma males have a strict personal standard for reliability and consistency. They deeply value their time and energy, refusing to waste it on unreliable individuals. Imagine a scenario where a friend repeatedly arrives late or cancels plans at the last minute. Most people might tolerate such behaviors to avoid conflict, but Sigma males quickly recognize the lack of respect embedded in these actions. To a Sigma, every flaked appointment or missed call isn't just a simple oversight. It's a clear indicator of that person's character. Rather than waste mental energy wondering if a friend will follow through, Sigma males decisively cut off flaky individuals. They believe, if someone can't respect their time, they're not worthy of their friendship. Number 5. Their trust is nearly impossible to earn. Sigma males have often experienced betrayal or disappointment from those closest to them. These early betrayals become deep-seated lessons, reinforcing a cautious approach to friendships. They rarely give their trust to others unless that person has extensively proven their loyalty and honesty. For example, a Sigma male who was betrayed in his youth by someone he deeply trusted will be extremely selective about who he allows close. This self-protective mechanism may seem harsh or overly cautious, but it prevents further emotional wounds. Because genuinely trustworthy people are rare, Sigma males end up forming very few, if any, deep friendships. Number 6. Real friendship should feel effortless. Sigma males strongly believe that genuine friendship should feel natural, effortless, and mutually fulfilling. High-maintenance relationships, filled with demands for constant attention, validation, or support, quickly exhaust them. Consider a friendship where every interaction feels like work, constantly reassuring a friend, navigating their drama, or handling their emotional burdens. Sigma males have no interest in these draining dynamics. Instead, they value friendships that feel authentic and simple, where both parties can exist comfortably without needing to constantly manage or entertain one another. Since effortless friendships are exceedingly rare, Sigma males often opt to be alone rather than endure draining social interactions. Number 7. The 3 incredibly rare pillars of friendship. Sigma males live by a strict code in their relationships, built upon 3 core pillars: trustworthiness, loyalty, and respect. These terms are casually used but rarely honored sincerely in today's world. For Sigma males, these pillars aren't mere words, they're absolute non-negotiables. They observe closely, noting when friends break small promises, gossip about others, or show disloyalty during tough situations. Once someone breaks these essential pillars, even in minor ways, the Sigma male loses respect and steps away quietly. Because true trustworthiness, unwavering loyalty, and deep respect are exceedingly rare, Sigma males often find themselves with very few true friendships. Ultimately, Sigma males aren't friendless because they can't make friends. They choose solitude because they value authenticity, depth, consistency, and mutual respect. These men refuse to settle for friendships based on convenience, competition, or conditional approval. Sigma males recognize that a truly meaningful friendship is incredibly rare, and until they find those extraordinary few who embody trustworthiness, loyalty, and respect, they're perfectly happy walking life's path alone. Number 8. They don't need friendships to be happy. Unlike most people, Sigma males genuinely thrive in solitude. The quiet time spent alone allows them to recharge mentally and emotionally. Many people equate being alone with loneliness, but Sigma males understand the critical difference between isolation and solitude. They don't feel the social anxieties or the constant urge to be surrounded by people. A Sigma male could spend weeks, even months, comfortably alone, deeply engaged in his own thoughts and pursuits. For example, a Sigma might choose a solitary vacation, entirely disconnected from social obligations, finding genuine happiness in his own company. This complete comfort with solitude removes the need to maintain unnecessary friendships just to avoid loneliness. If you found yourself silently nodding along or thinking, "That's exactly me," then there's a good chance you already resonate deeply with the Sigma male mindset, perhaps more than most people ever will. Do any of these reasons reflect your own life or personal journey? We'd genuinely love to hear your thoughts, stories, or even disagreements. Drop them in the comments below. For more thought-provoking explorations into the Sigma male perspective and lifestyle, be sure to browse through our other videos. Thank you for watching, supporting, and being an essential part of this growing community of independent thinkers.